Stop scrolling. I know you are here. You want to speak English. Hi everyone. My name is Khageswar. Welcome back to my another session of learning English and improve your English speaking skill with me. So guys, today is day 1 of our 30-day spoken English course.
I'm here to help you to speak English fluently and confidently. Yes, of course, confidently.
This course is designed for you, especially whether you are a beginner or someone who wants to improve their English speaking skills. By the end of 30 days, you will see a big difference in your way to speak English fluently. So, let me ask you a question. Do you struggle to speak in English? Today, I'll give you 2 powerful rules that will help you to start speaking English immediately. The biggest problem in learning spoken English is because most of people think speaking English is difficult because they worry too much about grammar rules. But the truth is, you don't need to learn complicated grammar to speak English. You don't need to memorize thousands of words. So today, all your problems end. And today, you will start speaking English with confidence. And what you will need are just 2 simple rules. So, these 2 rules will change the way you speak English forever. So guys, no boring grammar, no memorizing long vocabulary lists, just 2 simple formulas that you can use immediately. So before we begin, let me tell you exactly what you will learn in today's lesson in day 1, because this series is going on till day 30. So here I'm going to tell you what you will learn in today's lesson. I'll tell you 2 golden rules that will help you to start speaking English. I'll tell you real life conversation using rules, common mistakes people make and how to avoid them, and 5 new vocabulary words that will improve your daily communication, and a special challenge and homework that will help you to practice what you learn. And here is something special also, because every single day for the next 30 days, I give you 5 new vocabulary words. And by the end of this course, you will have 150 plus new words in your vocabulary. So sound exciting? Let's begin. So here guys, first of all, before beginning and before telling you anything, let me ask you a question. Have you been in a situation where you wanted to speak English, but suddenly your brain froze? Maybe in an interview, maybe in front of friends, maybe when someone asked you a simple question in English, and at that moment you felt embarrassed. You knew what you wanted to say, but the words didn't come out. You felt ashamed. You thought, maybe English is not for me. You felt like giving up. Let me tell you something. No one else will. Speaking English is not about intelligence. Speaking English is not about learning difficult grammar. Speaking English is about practice and confidence. Today, I will give you a shortcut. Just 2 simple rules that will help you to start speaking English immediately. On day 1, I wanted to give you something which really helped you, right? So, are you guys ready for that? If you're ready, please let me know in the comment section. So now guys, let's begin. I'll share 2 rules for speaking English. Think about this. Every day you do 2 types of works. Got it? Every day you do 2 types of work. Some work is happening right now. You know, the action which is going on, ongoing action. Some work is already finished. That means the action has been completed. For these, we only need 2 rules. Okay, because I would like to tell you in our daily conversation, we only use 2 rules, these 2 rules to speak English faster. Rule number 1, I am plus ing form, for work which is happening right now. Rule number 2, I have plus verb ka 3rd form for work that is finished. All right, that's it. 2 rules. If you understand this, you can start speaking English right now. Now, for instance, there are a few examples. Okay, I am cooking dinner. All right, I'm checking my emails. Okay, in English, I'm checking my emails. I'm planning my weekend. Now guys, repeat after me. I am driving my car right now. I am listening to music. Okay, I'm cleaning my room. I am working on a project. How is it? Cool? Now guys, you will have to try making your own sentences. For example, I am dash. Okay, think of an action, whatever you are doing right now. Okay, let's learn I have plus verbs 3rd form because this is used for completed action with a connection to the present. For instance, let me give you the examples. I have finished the report today. Okay, I have bought a new phone. Here, bought is a third form. I have visited that place before. So, visited is a third form. Okay? All right. And you will have to use I have plus verbs third form. Now, repeat after me. I have fixed the computer. I have sent the message. Now, guys, you will have to make sentences using I have dash. You will have to think something that you have done today. Okay? And leave the comment. Now, repeat after me. This is a kind of shadow practice. Okay? I am reading a book right now. I'm writing a letter. I have eaten my lunch. I have found my keys. Now, let's practice together. I will ask you a question and you will answer by using today's two rules. Okay? So the question is, what are you doing right now? And you have to give me the answer using I am plus ingi form. Either you can pause this video or you can write a comment. All right? Now the next question is, what have you learned today? By using I have plus verbs third form. Okay? So guys, now let's start with the real life conversation using these two simple rules. First, imagine you are at home. You are sitting on the sofa relaxing. Suddenly, your mother calls you from the kitchen and asks, "What are you doing?" Here the action is going on right now. So you will use rule number 1. You will shout back and say, "Mom, I am watching TV right now." But then your mom asks another question. She asks, "Did you clean your room like I told you?" Now think, this action should be finished, right? So here you will apply rule number 2. You will reply, "Yes, mom, don't worry. I have cleaned my room already." See, you used I am watching for now and I have cleaned for the finished work. Simple. Now, let's change the scene. Imagine you are sitting at your office desk. Your boss comes to your table. He looks at your computer screen and asks, "What are you working on?" You want to tell him about your current activity. So you will look at him and use rule number 1. So you will say, "Sir, I am preparing the presentation for tomorrow." Boss nods and then he asks about the old file. He asks, "Okay, but what about the sales report?" So now, because that work is done, you will switch to rule number 2. You will say with confidence, "Sir, I have emailed the sales report to you this morning." Notice the difference? I am preparing versus I have emailed. This is how you sound professional. Okay, last scenario. Imagine you are in a shopping mall to buy a jacket. A salesperson approaches you and asks, "Sir, can I help you? What are you looking for?" You are still searching. The action is ongoing. So you answer using rule number 1. "No thanks. I am just looking for a black jacket." After 10 minutes, you find the perfect one and you go to the counter. The cashier asks, "Sir, did you finalize anything?" Now the decision is made. The action is complete. So you use rule number 2. "Yes, I have selected this black one. Please pack it." So guys, did you see that? Whether you are at home, at the office or shopping, you only need these two rules to handle 80% of your conversations. Now imagine this situation in your life and try using these sentences in real life conversation. Alright? So now let me tell you some common mistakes like people make in daily conversations, right? So you do not do all these things. If you are saying, "I am cooked the food," that is wrong. It should be, "I have cooked the food." "I have playing cricket," that is wrong. "I am playing cricket," that is correct. Now, as I promised, here are 5 powerful words you can use today. Okay? The first word is transform. Transform is a verb and it means to change completely. For example, "I am transforming my lifestyle." The second word is accomplished. Accomplished, this is also a verb that means to complete something successfully. For example, "I have accomplished my daily task." Third word is notice. Notice is a verb that means to become aware of something, to see, hear, or feel something suddenly. For instance, you could say, "I am noticing a change in the weather." The fourth word is certain. Certain is an adjective and it means feeling sure about something, having no doubt. For example, "I have become certain about my decision." And the final word for today is execute. Execute is a verb, and it means to carry out a plan or instruction, to perform an action as planned. For instance, I am executing the new strategy perfectly. Okay, now guys, you will have to write sentences in the comment sections. Here, I would like to give a challenge. Challenge for speaking 1 minute using these 2 rules. Alright? First of all, you have to record yourself saying 5 sentences with I am plus ing. Alright? And second one is record yourself saying 5 sentences with I have plus verbs third form. Alright? Post your practice in the comment. Or you can do the practice in front of the camera or in front of the mirror. Alright? If you will comment me, then I'll read your comment and give a shout out in my next video. Okay? Now what's next? What you will learn tomorrow in day 2, that I'm going to tell you. Okay? We will learn tricky rules to frame sentences easily, how to use modal verbs to express yourself better, how to speak confidently in daily life situations, and of course, 5 new daily words. Alright? So guys, if you are interested and if you want to improve your speaking skills with me, then definitely stay with me till 30 days. Because in next 30 days, I'm going to teach you new things. I'll give you the new exercises, I'll give you the new tricks, I'll give you the new rules to improve your English without getting into deep grammar. Alright? So if you really want to improve your English, stay with me till next 30 days. So from day 2, if you like this video, then definitely I'll make day 2 video. If you give a lot of likes, if you share this video, if I get good views on this video, then definitely I'll continue this series till next 30 days. So congratulations, you have completed day 1 of this course. Alright? Learning doesn't stop here. Your homework for today is write and say 5 sentences with I am plus verbs, ing form. Okay? So write 5 sentences with I have plus third form. Okay? And practice speaking them out loud. Either you can write these sentences in the comment box so I can check whether it is correct or it is wrong. You can write it down on your journal, on your notebook, or you can do the practice in front of mirror, or you can record yourself. Now let me give you 4 more examples. I am walking in the park. I have washed the dishes. Remember, practice makes progress. And the more you speak, the better you become. Writing English is not about being perfect. It's about being confident. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes means you are learning. Am I right? So if you practice these 2 simple rules every day, you will start speaking English naturally and fluently. So guys, keep practicing and I'll see you in day 2 with another exciting lesson. So if you found this lesson helpful, please like this video and share this video to others who want to speak English. So if you like my video, please give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.